right, so where are we going? Are we going out to check on the honeybees?
Yeah.
No, we already checked on them. What are we going? We're going to check on our blueberries and our cranberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Blueberries and cranberries, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we go. Woo! It is overgrown. We're gonna need to come out here and fix these, aren't we? You want to pick some blueberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's pick some blueberries. Looks like the deer have been in here. The deer have been eating our blueberries. Ooh, these look good too, Major. Ooh, look at that blueberry. Go ahead, you can eat it. I'm gonna eat that one, okay? Isn't that good? Yeah. All right. There was a bunch of them too. All right. So let's pick some blueberries, and later on we're gonna have to come out and we're gonna have to mow and weed whack and clean all in between these. It's been a while since we've been out here, but we don't want to miss our blueberries, so we're gonna start picking them now. Right, Mage?
Yeah.
So pick here, Major. See those in there? Pick the blue ones for me, okay? Pick the blue ones, put them in the bag. See, here's the blueberries, and this is where the cranberries start. The cranberries are all down through here. So, blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries, right, Mage?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
All right. Come on up. Okay, so Major and I picked a bunch of blueberries from the blueberry patch the other day, and the kids ate a bunch of them, and I tried to save at least 2 cups worth of blueberries, a little over 2 cups. What we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to make some blueberry jam today. So, first thing you want to do, get your pan filling up, because we jar ours, so all these jars we're going to fill up with the blueberry jam and then seal them with the lids, and we're going to heat them up so that way they seal airtight and we could store them for a while. So, alright, let's get started. Okay, so we got our blueberries. We got our pectin that we're going to add in after we mash everything up, and add in the sugar. It's going to be roughly about 4 cups of sugar. And we also have lemon. Hey, what are you doing? Get out of here. Alright, so we got the lemons. So, alright, let's get started. Okay. So, we got our pan. There's roughly a little over 2 cups in there. We're going to put them all in there. And we need, I think it's roughly 4 cups of sugar for a small batch. So this is a 1/2 cup. Okay. Now that I did all the hard work. We need 2 tablespoons of lemon. And a little secret ingredient, a little bit of the zest. A little bit of zest. I'm going to put it on a low heat until the sugar starts to dissolve. Alright, now that the sugar is melted down, we're going to go ahead and add 1 pack of the premium liquid fruit pectin. I use Certo. I mean, you can use whatever you want, but this is what I've always used. And you want to put it in, stir it around, and then bring it back up to a boil. Alright, so that's what it should look like when it's all done. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and each one of these is going to get a lid. Okay, now that the tops are all on, we're going to go ahead and put them into the boiling water. So we're gonna let this, water's boiling, so we're gonna let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna let them stand in the water for another 5 minutes, and we should be done. Okay, the finished product, Whitehouse Farm Blueberry Jam 2019.
What, baby? You dropped something? Alright, you can take your sock off, you can put on a slipper.
Major, Jamie, come here. Which one you want, Jess?
I'll go on.
Hang on, Major. Hang on, don't eat just that.
Okay.
Major, Major. We're gonna cheers.
On that one, please.
Okay.
Ready?
All right. Cheers.
Mm.
Isn't that good?
Yeah. It melted the peanut butter.
Yeah, it did. So good. All right. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.